Okay. Okay, I'm Christine and I'm gonna talk about the arteries on the upper diaphragm. So here is the coronary artery, and then here is the pulmonary trunk artery. This part is the ascending aorta, and then here is the aortic arc, and then here is the descending aorta, and then this part is the brachiocephalic trunk, which goes off to the right subclavian artery and the left subclavian artery. It goes up to the left common carotid artery and the right common carotid artery. From the left subclavian artery, it goes off to the scapular artery and the auxiliary. From the left subclavian artery, it goes off to the auxiliary artery and to the scapular artery and the brachial artery. And that's everything in the upper diaphragm.
Okay, this is Fadila, Jabir, and I'm doing below the diaphragm arteries of the cat. So this is the descending aorta. The first branch from the descending aorta is the celiac trunk artery. The next branch is the superior mesenteric artery going to the small intestine. Then we have the inferior mesenteric artery going to the large intestine. We have the renal arteries, and then we have the external iliac arteries, the left and right external iliac arteries, and the left and right internal iliac arteries, which are here. A bit small, but these ones. And then we have the femoral artery here, this part. And then we have the popliteal going to the knee here, popliteal artery, femoral artery, popliteal artery. We cut off our proximal distal femoral artery, but we have a distal caudofemoral artery instead. And our saphenous artery doesn't show up because it wasn't dyed, but it would be here. And yeah, that's it.
Then Zumwalt veins above the diaphragm. Starting with the brachial vein drains into the axillary vein, where it joins with the subscapular vein, draining into the subclavian vein, draining into the brachiocephalic vein that also receives from the external jugular vein and the internal jugular vein, which is not visible. The brachiocephalic vein drains into the superior vena cava, where it drains into the right atrium. Below that is the inferior vena cava, also draining into the right atrium, and at this point we would see the azygous vein draining from the ribs. And draining into the left atrium are the pulmonary veins.
Hi, my name is Wang. I'm going to go over the veins of the lower diaphragm. So starting with the inferior vena cava, below the heart. This is the inferior vena cava going down this part. And this is renal veins, and the hepatic veins are in the kidney. Here. You can see the blue color here inside. Yeah. And then also this is the common iliac vein. And then below, underneath, should be the external iliac vein, and going inside is the internal iliac vein. And this is a femoral vein, and we don't have the proximal caudofemoral vein. It's cut off, and I don't think we have the popliteal vein or the grace venous vein. Yeah, but the popliteal vein should be draining from the knee and the kneecap, the muscles around, so somewhere over here, and the venous vein is more medial to that. Yeah, that's everything.
Okay, my name is Jay. I'm gonna go over hepatic portal circulation, and then let me find hepatic circulation. Yeah, can you hold it for me? Yeah, here's. Oh yeah, I'm filming and at the same. And this is the hepatic portal vein. Oh yeah, can you hold it for me? Yeah, hepatic portal vein, but it is cut, and this part is gastrosplenic vein, and here's we have superior mesenteric vein from small intestine, and we have inferior mesenteric vein, but it's not visible here, but it must be around this area. Thank you.